Now, these items, your crew is great. They actually helped me get this out of my own car. This came from my car, so I walk the walk, I drive the drive, and this stuff is in my car. This is vitally important. You get in an accident, this is nothing. This is a very cheap item.
This is nothing.
A nothing
They have
item.
them at the hardware store. They have them at the drug stores. This is not hard to find. I have one of these.
You throw these on, right? Now, this is also important. You're in that accident.
We were talking about this keeps you from getting hit by another car if you're in an accident.
It highlights who you are, where you are. It's a reflective vest.
Right.
By all means, you should get it.
Right.
Now, these items, this is a window punch, and these are all under $10, $15. This is a window punch, because suppose you're blocked in, you can't get in, or you want to get someone out. And this is a seatbelt cutter. These are things I have right by my side.
I didn't even know there was such a thing as a seatbelt cutter.
Oh, yeah, and it's also a window. On this side, you could break the glass. Like, let's say there's a dog in the car, and God forbid, dogs in the summertime.
That's right.
You want to save that dog.
Amazing.
We have some other items here. We have, and this is invaluable, because you don't always have to be in a wreck to be in an accident or pull over. You have a dead battery.
Is this a battery? Yeah,
this
battery
is a
charger.
self-contained battery, so you don't have to wave down another car.
Right.
This does the job for you. A little fire extinguisher. You know, this is a multi-platform flashlight. It strobes. It goes high beam. These items, so, you know, come holiday time, instead of giving someone a sweater that they may or may not wear, something that'll come and go, get these items. This thing should save your life.
You could build a kit.
That's right.
You could build a kit. A blanket.
A blanket and a sweatshirt.
Listen, just even the blanket and thermal clothing to keep yourself warm. You know, if the car's broken, guess what's not on? The heater. You know what I mean?
You don't get in an accident at the most opportune time.
Exactly. I would also put a little snack in there in case you're in the car a while.
Now, these pictures are of a car accident, and what you want to do is you have your phone again. This phone is now your best friend for many reasons. As you can see with the pictures, they're from different angles. Again, safety is paramount. But if you can, let's say it's in a parking lot and you're not impeding anyone, you want to get it from many different angles, from many different perspectives. And then what you also want to do, while it's still on your mind, you want to get that pen or pencil out and draw yourself a diagram of what happened. And all this will come out later when you're dealing with insurance or, you know, law enforcement. And then what you want to do is you want to exchange that information. And you know what? Nowadays, everything is replaceable. You're not replaceable. You want to be in a safe area, and we can talk, be friends, and exchange that information, license, registration, and insurance number. You know, and the most important thing is when the police come up, like a little trick. My brothers and sisters in law enforcement maybe get a little upset with this, but we've all been pulled over, and the first thing they say, do you know what I pulled you over for?
Right.
You know, do you know how fast you were going?
Right.
Well, you don't want to necessarily say, yes, officer, I was doing 75 in a 45.
Right.
Because that's going to get you a ticket real quick. Just give the basic information, keep your mouth shut, because you may not be in a state of mind. You want to think factually, not emotionally. And when you get in an accident, most people are thinking emotionally.